Les Cascodeurs Podcast, épisode 292. Enterprise Go Beans. Enregistré le 17 mars 2023.
Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to be here. Thanks for the invitation to the Eclipse Foundation. I just want to say a couple of words to my journey to give you the context of what I'm going to talk about. So, I've been starting a PhD program in 2017 at the Technical University of Munich, and I was given the opportunity. All right, that's it from my side. I'm here for the rest of the day. I would be happy to discuss with you.